Hello student, welcome to my channel BK Tutorial. Today we discuss Poisson's distribution. What is Poisson distribution? Where it is applied? When number of trial n is very large but success p is very small, then we use Poisson's distribution. Clear? When number of trial n is very large, that is maximum, but success p is very small, then we use Poisson's distribution. You can also say Poisson's distribution is limiting case of binomial distribution. Poisson's distribution is limiting case of binomial distribution. That is, n tends to infinity and p tends to 0. N maximum, p 0. Also, Poisson's distribution is defined as px equal to r equal to e power minus m into m to the power r by factorial r, where m is mean, and mean is defined as m equal to np. Mean m is called parameter. Clear? See one problem. If a random variable has Poisson's distribution such that p3 equal to p4, then find p0 and p1. p3 equal to p4. See its solution. Since we have given p3 equal to p4, according to Poisson's distribution formula, here r is 3, means e power minus m power 3 by factorial 3 equal to, here r equal to 4, e power minus m power 4 by factorial 4. E power minus n, e power minus 1 will be cancelled. m3, m4, there will be m. Also 1 by factorial 3 means 3 to 1, m by factorial 4 means 4, 3 to 1. 3, 3 cancel, 2, 2 cancel, therefore m equal to 4. Now you have to find p0 equal to, again by formula, e power minus m power 0, because r equal to 0 by factorial 0. Factorial 0, value of factorial 0 is 1. Therefore e to the power minus 4, value of m, 4 per 0 by 1 equal to e per minus 4. Second, p1, yani r equal to 1, e per minus m power 1 by factorial 1 equal to e power minus 4 into 4 by 1. This e power minus 4 into 4. Again, see one more problem. Here problem is this: if 2% of electric bulb manufactured by a company are defective, find the probability that in a sample of 100 bulbs, exactly 3 bulbs are defective. 2% of electric bulb manufactured by a company are defective, means p equal to 2% equal to 2 by 100. In a sample of 100 bulb, that is n equal to 100, with respect to n, p is very small, n is very large. Therefore, we apply Poisson's distribution. Now, first of all, we have to find m. M equal to np. Here n is 100, p equal to 2 by 100. 100 will be cancelled, m equal to 2. If m is found, then you apply Poisson's distribution. Probability of 3 defective bulbs, px equal to 3 by Poisson's distribution equal to e power minus m power r by factorial r. Here r equal to 3. E per minus m, 2 per 3 factorial 3. E per minus 2, value of m, 2 per cube 8. Factorial 3 means 3 to 1. A value of e power minus 2 is this much, 0.1353 into 8 by 6. After solving, you will get this result. Okay, thank you.